SharpTracking mobile application. In this video, you will learn how SharpTracking mobile application works. To download the app, visit our website, click Download button for Android or iPhone. Open SharpTracking app on your mobile. Enter username and password. You will see the app interface with all the cars in the system and their location on the map. You can control the map by the Map button on the top right. There are many forms of the map and you can show or hide traffic movement. Press any car on the map. A small information window will appear. For more information about the cars, press the Car tab on the bottom of the screen. You will see all the cars in the system, with green color if connected and red color if disconnected, and their status if moving or parking. Drag any car to the left. Colored icons will show to you. The blue icon shows all the information about the car. The red one is for the task history of this car, and you can play any track of them in a video. The green icon is to show the location of the car on the map. And you can get the direction to the car's location in Google Maps through the Location tab. And the yellow icon is to share a link for the car with an expiration date set by the user. With this property, you can give your clients the ability to track your vehicles in Google Maps for only a limited time without having the access to the system. Then the link expires in the specified time. From the Clock tab on the bottom, you can see the full history of all cars in the system. When you tap on the Calendar button, you will find the events of any violation over the settings made for the cars with their information. To make reports, click the Options tab on the bottom right. Click on Reports. Choose the cars you want. Choose the type of the report and the specific period. Then define whether you'd like the report to be by date or by cars. Then press Download Report. You will find the required report with all the information you needed.